Hey guys, how are we all? So if you're new, welcome. I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna film a everyday summer makeup and just have like a chit chat with you guys. I'm just gonna start right off. I might actually wear a headband because I don't know about you guys, but like makeup always gets like in my hair, like my hair gets in the way. So I look like crap because I've had no sleep. Obviously we watched the England game and it was on until like midnight, wasn't it? So yeah, since then I've had no sleep. I've got these really cute earrings, by the way. I got them sent from Monica Vinegar and they're really cute. If I could get a close up, that'd be amazing, but really cute all over, simple studs. So I'm going to begin by using my Essence from OMOROVICZA. But then I also follow on with their Elemental Emulsion Illuminating Face Cream. So pretty, guys. Like, I really love this. It's 30 ml and again, it's quite natural ingredient. It's definitely more lightweight, so even if you have oily skin and you want to glow, I do recommend this. Yeah, I've literally been loving it. I've still got a lot left because I bought it recently, and I'm just trying to just use this instead of so many other products. So we'll stick to this and avoid face cream because we are going to be in the heat. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Glowish Multi-Dew Skin Tint. So as you guys know, I've been loving this product. It's literally like your skin but better, like really healthy glow, gives you a bit of color. So this shade is light to medium. I do have some other colors like in a deeper, more tan effect, but I thought I'd just showcase a very natural, true to skin match, and this one is the number 4 light to medium. I'll show you guys. The texture is quite not like a tinted moisturizer, although a lot of people ask, is it a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream? I wouldn't say it's either. It's kind of like in between both, because obviously it does hydrate, but it's also like there for like an all over glow, just to kind of make your skin look fresh. I'm going to use the Armani Silk foundation on top, just because this is quite lightweight for me. Like, I don't think it's cakey at all. And because we already used the Multi-Dew, I'm only going to use a tiny bit of this, literally on the areas where I need coverage, which is usually where I get this kind of acne from my diet, which I need to change. So you see how fresh my skin looks? All I need right now is concealer. I would usually use the Huda Beauty Overachiever, and it has like this really cooling applicator. And then I just work that in with my sponge. And then I kind of like go over any blemishes as well. So I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, which is so underrated. I think this is a lovely dupe for the Tarte Cosmetics, which we don't really get access to in the UK. So I definitely recommend this concealer. I use the shade Latte, guys. So I'm just going to be quite generous with this. I'm quite generous with anything that's not expensive. So I don't know what it is, but I get a lot of redness around my nose. So if you guys want to set your concealer, make sure you set it straight away. And a lot of people ask me, how do I stop my concealer from creasing? Honestly, you need to set your concealer, like, you have to set it straight away. I'm gonna then quickly set with my trusted EASYBAKE powder. I use shade Pound Cake, which is one of the lighter shades, because I mainly set my under eye. So I just kind of empty out through the mesh. I like tip it over and I pat it down, and I get a good amount of powder. And what I do is I actually use my beauty blender wet, and I will press it onto the powder like that and set my makeup. And guys, I kid you not, this will last you for 8 hours. Guys, how crazy is that? I literally look airbrushed on this side. It's magic. It's literally magic. You'll get the best finish ever. And then we can use a bit of the GLOWISH Huda Beauty Tan Light, oh sorry, that's the shade name, Soft Radiance Bronzing Powder. It's like this duotone marble effect. Again, it's got similar ingredients to the skin tint, so really nice, sustainable vegan product. I'm just gonna look for a brush. I'm gonna use actually quite a slim brush. This one is a Bobbi Brown one. And I'm just gonna swirl it around. And if I'm like limited on time, I'll literally just go like this, because it will still end up looking natural. You can't go wrong, it can't go blotchy, this powder. It's so nice, hydrating, glowy, but it's not glittery, which I love. Next I'm gonna apply the MAC, I know this one, Glow Play blush in No Shame. So it's this beautiful pink, which is very soft to touch. You can literally use it with your fingers, almost like a cream blush. And I'm actually loving this trend at the moment. If you've seen my recent TikTok where I do the kind of Kylie Jenner blush, I use this one exactly. I have tried the one that she uses, the Dior one, and it doesn't really show up for me. I don't know if you guys feel the same, but this one is beautiful and it does last a good few hours on the skin. And I feel like it makes my cheekbones like really stand out with a blend of the bronzer as well. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of highlighter. I love to use this one in the Revolution Pro palette because it really pops on my cheekbones. Let me just see what I have. And on the Cupid's bow. And you just get that lovely little glow. So I'm gonna use a bit of eyeshadow for my brows. I always go for this color. This is Mahogany by Bobbi Brown. It's a classic. You can't go wrong if you're a brunette. I will link all these products below for you guys. And I also use the Bobbi Brown eye definer brush for this. Get a bit closer so you guys can see. I'm gonna literally like fill here where I'm more sparse. I've grown out my brows, so I don't feel the need to fill them in that much. Let me just have a closer look. So that's pretty much all I do for my brows. Cool. So next off, I'm going to do tight liner. So I'm just going to use a KOHL pencil. It's really good to just look into a mirror. And it just gives you that filled look in between your lashes. And then on top, I am going to use the MAC Teddy Eye Kohl and just literally do this all over my lid. Literally like that. And then I will just smudge it. And this will stay all day. I like a really dark kind of smoky cloud on my eyes. Same on that side. It just creates a nice smudgy smoky eye. Then I'm going to grab that bronzer that I used and I'm just gonna blend all over my eye, focusing on this crease here. And it creates that dark to light smokiness. So for mascara, you want to use a waterproof mascara. I think this is waterproof because it literally does not come off. These are my trusted Bobbi Brown lash curlers, which I've had for 3-4 years now. They've kept really well. So you always want to keep your eyes open but looking down when you are applying your mascara. So this is a great look, I think, for when you're on the go. As you saw, I didn't use like eyeshadows on my eyes. I literally used an eyeliner and my bronzer. What I like to do is apply a plumping lipstick. This is like a lovely raspberry colour. And then I add the Huda Beauty Power Bullet in Honeymoon. Just to kind of tie in with the blusher. So I do a bit of a lip liner in a very brown neutral shade. It just stays nice and glossy, and then when that wears off, your glow will like still like stay put. How I finish this off is I don't really need to use any powder because we've used that, and I want to keep my glow here. I would either set it with a setting spray, but I'm not going to use it today. I'm actually going to use a bit of body oil, which is nice and shimmery. Again, that same skincare brand, OMOROVICZA. And it's just beautiful. Like, I will show you now on my arm. I mean, just look at that. Like, you're just going to look like a golden goddess. That's it. I mean, I'm probably not going to go out in these because it's just too like day wear and too casual. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I might actually add a pop of that highlighter on my inner corner. I just feel like it gives you that lovely pop. See what I mean? Like, oh, so pretty. Really summery as well. So cute. I mean, I need to fix my hair because it's just a bit whatever, but I love it. Wow. Okay, so I'm really pleased with this look. If you guys love it as well, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Mwah. Bye guys.